Hello and assalamu alaikum students. I'm your social studies teacher, Ms. Sayyida Akshanda Zehra. Students, as you know that we have already started our chapter agriculture in Pakistan, and in the previous session we learned about agriculture, its importance, and we also learned about the land distribution in Pakistan. The Pakistan's land is has been divided into different parts, as we have learned in the previous session, like in the forest, farmlands, scrublands, wastelands, mountains, and deserts. So our first session was about the forest, its importance, deforestation, and effects of deforestation, and how to control the effects of deforestation. But in our today's session, we are going to learn about farmlands, scrublands, wastelands, mountains, and deserts. So let's start. First, we will have a review of the previous lesson. We learned about the importance of forests. That forests are very important geographical feature for any country. They actually control soil erosion. They provide us timber, and with the help of timber, we make a lot of things. They are actually the habitat for many birds and animals. They provide us food, they give us oxygen, and they also provide us clean air. Then we learned about deforestation, which is the permanent removal of trees to make room for something besides forest. Okay, for example, to make buildings or for any other purpose. Then we learn about the effects of deforestation, as obviously it's not a good thing to cut down the trees. So it has some bad effects that includes loss of biodiversity, increased atmospheric carbon dioxide, increased drought, disruption of water cycle, increased flooding, increased wildlife, etc. Then we learn that how can we control, or how can what role can be played to control the effects of deforestation. Again, it includes that if you are cutting down the trees, so we should plant more trees. By planting more trees, we can cut down the effects of deforestation, then by again saving wood fuel, and by using recycled products. So this is what we learned in the previous session. Okay, in our today's session, we are going to learn about the farmland. Students, as you can see on the screen, the definition of the farmlands. What are farmlands? That is the land which is typically devoted to agriculture. Means where we will only do the agriculture, and particularly the rearing of livestock, raising of livestock, and production of crops. Why it is important? Farmlands are very important for any country, as they are used, or they are the places where we produce food, and they are used to produce food. It is thus generally synonymous with both farmland or cropland. Yes, we called this land as farmland or cropland, and as well as pasture. Okay, if you talk about the farmlands of Pakistan, so definitely we have farmlands on the plains of Sindh and Punjab. Farmland is the flat, is a fertile land. Farmland is a fertile land where we can grow variety of crops. Okay, and in Pakistan, most of the Pakistan's farms are on the plains of Sindh and Punjab. In Pakistan, mostly agriculture is done in Punjab, which is also known as the food basket of Pakistan, where we grow different crops, especially wheat and cotton are grown there. You can see the picture of farmland. It's a very fertile land, and you can see on a very big area the crops have been grown here on the farmland. Okay, now what are scrubs and what are scrublands? Obviously, scrubs can grow on its own. You don't need to grow it. Okay, it can grow its on its own, and definitely they are unsuitable for farming, and they're mostly used for cattle grazing. Yes, and we found scrublands mostly in Punjab, in Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Yes, these two provinces are very famous for the scrublands, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. You can see this picture here, students, scrublands, where you cannot grow any crop actually. They're not suitable for farming. Okay, then wasteland, as you can hear the name or you can see the name wasteland, that refers to barren areas, okay, where you cannot grow anything, or isolated pieces of land left idle without any cultivation or construction activity. Wastelands can be with or without any scrubs. You can see how wastelands look like. Okay, mountains and deserts. When we talk about mountains and deserts, so in Pakistan, most of the Pakistan land surface is covered by mountains and deserts. People living in mountainous areas, or you would say, they maintain small orchards and farms to meet their food needs. Okay, look at this picture. This picture shows you the different orchards, okay, on the mountainous areas. Okay, and this is again an example of an orchard, and here you can see desert. Okay, what is your task, student, for today, that you are going to do these two questions in your copy? Number one, that what do you understand by farmlands and why are they important? Why do you think they are important? Then second question is you are going to define these two terms, scrublands and wastelands. So inshallah, students, that's it for today. Inshallah, we'll meet again with another topic. So till then, Allah Hafiz.